NanRobot D6 Plus, and I'm unboxing it. It was double boxed, so I opened up the first box and then the second, and I just slid it and slipped it off. And look at this, looks like I got a bicycle pump, multi-tool, charger. Pretty cool, fellas. Pretty cool. And there is the big boy itself, and it is heavy. So there it is. Boy, this thing is massive too. That wheel is much bigger than I expected it to be. It's rock hard. I open up the kickstand and put that down so I can take off this foam. And here's the stem. And I got the knurled front knob, which is good because I saw the first versions, this was smooth and guys were complaining about that. So let's see if I can open this up. Yes, I can. And very hard to do this one-handed. Hang on. And so yeah, good locking mechanism on the stem. Twist that knob. And there she is, man. I just got to put the handlebars on. That's about it, really. On off for the lights. Grip feels good. There's my display. And I got a couple of fenders. Really, fenders are the only thing I have to install. So I am excited. I'm excited to see if this thing has any juice in it. So let me get the rest of the plastic off. Put the handlebar on. Pretty good. So here's the scooter. I put the kickstand down. I put it down and it just collapses. This is ridiculous.